How's it going, everyone? So this video, I will be making a hickey video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999. So again, with these videos, I get a ton of questions from subscribers. So in these videos, it's kind of like a little series I got going on with the hickeys. I simply just pick a question from a subscriber or a statement, and then I answer it. And then at the end of the video, I'll give you my best answer. So this person is saying that he has used shampoo to get rid of his hickey, and it only took him 2 days. Ooh. Now here's the thing, in my opinion, 2 days to get rid of a hickey is way, way too long. My way of working is that it's gone in 2 minutes. 2 minutes and it is gone. So why did shampoo take 2 days? My guess is that he was rubbing the area with shampoo over and over and over and over again while in the shower. Or maybe he didn't. Maybe he just rubbed shampoo when he wasn't in the shower. I don't know. That I would think he was in the shower when he's rubbing shampoo on his neck. Anyways, the reason why he probably got rid of it was because he was rubbing it constantly in the shower. Now, here's the thing though. Your hands do not make really good rubbers, if you will. You want to have either a coin or a spoon. Those are the best things. And what you're going to do is you're going to rub your area. Generally, it's on the neck. 90% of hickeys are on the neck. You're going to rub the area for 2 minutes using either, again, a coin or a spoon. Spoon's probably easier because everyone has a spoon in their house. Everyone has eating utensils. You can find a spoon pretty easy and just start rubbing like this. Just go like this, start rubbing the area. 2 minutes straight, get a timer on your phone, put the timer on your phone and start rubbing that area for 2 minutes straight. 90% of the time, it's gonna be gone day for most people. The other 10% of the time, for 90% of the people out there, it will be gone in 2 minutes. The other 10% of the people will have to do it for 5 minutes straight, which again, that's not very long at all. Here's the thing, the area is gonna get super duper red. That should happen and it will happen. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for the redness to go away. Your hickey will be gone when the redness goes away. If this does not work, which highly, highly doubt that it won't, if you've done the 2 minutes, you did the 5 minutes, still doesn't work, there's still a little bit there, do another 5 minutes and 110% it will be gone day. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999.